Today, we're going to talk about portion sizes, as this is very important, and there's just not a lot of information available as far as what is the right portion size for kids. Portion sizes are an important consideration for the child's health and nutrition. Children need different amounts of food at different ages and stages of growth and development. Parents and caregivers need to provide appropriate portion sizes to ensure children get the nutrients they require without overeating. Generally, children should be encouraged to consume a variety of foods from all food groups with an emphasis on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's also important to limit portion sizes of high calorie, low nutrient foods such as sweets, chips, fried foods, and sugary snacks. A good rule of thumb is to encourage children to eat until they feel comfortably full, rather than to force them to clean their plates and overeat. This actually allows them to pay attention to their hunger cues and stop eating when they're full. Parents and caregivers can also model healthy portion sizes by using smaller plates and serving sizes and by avoiding supersized meals and snacks. Teaching children about appropriate portion sizes and modeling healthy eating habits early in the child's development can help promote a healthy relationship with food and support optimal growth and development. My typical rule of thumb is that a portion of protein is the size of a child's fist. So not the adult fist, but the child's fist at each stage and age is the portion of protein. The carbohydrate portion is typically the size of a child's palm. Half the plate should be veggies, 1/4 of the plate should be protein, and 1/4 should contain whole grain carbohydrates or fruits or vegetables.